There seems to be some activity on YouTube.
We're picking it up. Someone said, is there anything else besides body filler or hyaluronic acid that can be safely non-surgically injected into the buttocks for more significant results?
Renuva, Sculpture are probably the top two. You're not going to get significant results unless you do a lot of volume. Even if you do a lot of volume, it's very costly, and the results are... It's effective, but it might be underwhelming. Just a little stretch. Okay. Canada. Hey, Shalon from Canada. De Mexico. Right? Mexico lindo y querido. I'm wondering if I'd be a candidate since I suffer from high blood pressure and I take 5 milligrams. Yeah, you can still get the procedure done. We just need medical clearance. If you're getting a tummy tuck and had a previous C-section, do you cut through the same incision? No, you go below that incision.
Someone asked, are your in-person consultations really booked? Are they really far away?
They're a couple months away. They're a couple months. What's going on YouTube?
Someone said, I want to thank you. You always reply to my question, which is helpful.
Welcome.
From Pennsylvania.
Thank you. Sí, hablo español. Se habla español. Does this thing go up on this?
Yeah.
It does?
Like go up?
Yeah.
No, not this one. I mean, I can put the books.
No, it's just disappointed.
We can switch them.
Doesn't matter. Alright, what else is going on YouTube? Is everyone... I haven't done this with YouTube before, so there's not that many people on YouTube, but tell me, what's the YouTube response from this? Are you guys on YouTube happy I'm doing this? Do you want me to go on YouTube more?
Someone said, where are you from on YouTube?
Where am I from? I'm from Staten Island. I'm originally from Staten Island. My mom's Latina, my dad's Lebanese. I'm very anemic. Is that an issue? Yes, it's an issue. We need your blood. We need you to not be anemic for surgery. So someone wants me to do the whole thing in Spanish. I can't. No puedo hacer todo en español, pero si me hacen una pregunta, te puedo contestar en español la pregunta. Do you only do in-person consults or do you do phone? We do Zoom. SKang1, we do Zoom. So if you want to do a consult, we could do it on Zoom too. Love your work. It's amazing. Thanks, Sheelan. Staten Island here. Wow, Amanda Batista from Staten Island. I moved to Jersey though, so I'm like kind of a Jersey boy too. Jersey Shore. Was it GTR?
Yeah.
No, GTL.
GTL. I said Gym Tan Reed. It's Gym Tan Laundry.
What's the R?
Reed. Because I used to read. Gym Tan Reed. GTR.
Because I used to read.
So they all said yes for YouTube?
Yeah, they like the YouTube?
Yeah.
Alright, so yes for YouTube. Yes, more on YouTube. Okay. Any other pricing for BBL? Send us a DM. Any other questions on YouTube? We love you, Dr. Hall. Thanks, Heike. Yo, appreciate your work. You're a great plastic surgeon, the best. Thanks, Kalantari. What? Calmate.
Ryan was saying for you to go live on TikTok too. I said 3. He can barely do 2.
I can do it. Watching from the Bahamas. My friend wants a gender reassignment surgery. Thanks, Anthony. I'm happy to see her. Let's see. DM for pricing. I don't mind saying pricing on the thing, but it's not the best use of my time. I'll spend a lot of time saying the same thing. It's better just to DM. I don't speak Arabic. Thanks, Dr. Hall. Love my body. Thank you, Evening Parisian. Doctor, you look a little bit like James McAvoy. I don't know who that is.
I haven't heard that one before.
Yes for YouTube. Everyone's on YouTube. Do you perform paniculectomy? Yes. It's not that common, but I'll do it. How do you schedule a Zoom consult? Thank you. The best way to schedule Zoom is just send us a DM and we'll get you plugged in. Name, phone number, email, and hey Mina.
Someone on YouTube said they've been researching a lot and they think that you are the best.
Oh. I don't identify as the best, so I'm never going to say I'm the best or I think I'm the best. I do the best I can for people. I do everything with a lot of love and gratitude, and thank you for feeling that or saying that. Thank you for the support.
Someone said, do you do tummy tuck even if the patient has diabetes?
If they have diabetes, the A1C has to be below 7 usually. If it's below 7, we could do it, but you're high risk for wound complications, wound necrosis, wound separation. Do you place the clean fat into the breast without using implants? Yes, Sassy Dira. We did that today and we did it a couple weeks ago. So check it out. Love your work. Thank you. BBL, implant removal and version going to cost more than my budget allows. Love you. Thanks, Juicing. Hey, Hernandez. What testing is required before lipo? We get labs and EKG depending how old you are. I'm 53. I need a tummy tuck. 53 is okay. It's no problem.
There's some people saying, hi doc, my question is how long does each procedure take to do 360 arm lift, thigh lift, and tummy tuck?
360 is 2 hours. Arm lift, thigh lift is 3 hours. That's 5. And what? Tummy tuck?
And tummy tuck.
That's 7 hours. 7.5 hours.
Someone said, if you get lipo on legs, will it make the cellulite worse, or does it...
If you overdo the thighs, it will make the dimpling worse. Worse. You got to be careful how you lipo the legs.
You're doing some TikTok?
Let's get crazy. I've been following you for years. Can't wait. It's my time. Oh, thank you. Chopinche Madre. Thank you. If I'm butchering these names, forgive me. How long does it last using fat in the breast? You're going to get about 50 to 60% graft take or retention, and it's going to be that'll stay forever. Much love from South Africa. Thanks, Chef. Appreciate you too. I haven't been to South Africa. Someone's got to invite me.
Yeah, please.
Yeah, obviously, the staff wants to go. How long does anesthesia last? How long after surgery do you wake up? Now, you wake up right away. How soon can you get a second BBL after your first one? Usually 3 months. What else is going on YouTube? I don't want to ignore my YouTube people.
You will not have TikTok, so
You're live on TikTok.
figure that out.
No, I'm live on TikTok.
Mm-hmm.
So, what is this called? The menage a trois?
There's 4 actually, because the camera.
The camera.
So it's a foursome. All right. That's going to be taken out of context.
100%. Someone said, what's the best way to slim legs?
I don't know. I can lipo them, but so we got YouTube, TikTok, filming, Instagram. All right. Damn.
Is there a way to get a breast lift without a huge scar?
Is this YouTube?
This is Instagram.
Instagram? Oh, I could see Instagram. I'll do the Instagrams. I'm going like a certain. I broke my femur bone in June. When can you get a 360? Whenever your doc clears you. The Instagram, it's closer to me, so I could.
You've got it?
Yeah, I got
Alright.
this one. Tips for helping lower BMI. Get on one of these new meds. I think they work great. Ozempic, Wegovy, GLP-1 agonist. Or antagonist. I got to look it up. Forgive me, but it's a GLP-1 something. They work really well. I've had a lot of experience with patients coming in and losing weight on it. Kira. Is there a way to get a breast lift without a huge scar like the ones in the live pop? It's tough. So the answer is probably not.
Someone asked, how long after postpartum can I get a consultation surgery?
You can come whenever, and we can plan the surgery 3 to 6 months ahead. You have to make sure you stop breastfeeding for 3 months. What's the best way to slim the legs? We talked about it. 45, 125. What's my BMI? Google BMI calculator. I can't do it right now because I'm on Instagram Live. How soon after you stop breathing can you get implants? 3 months. 63 years old, would like a tummy breast. Is it doable? Yes, it's doable. I've done up to 69. I did a 360 lipo with breast. So we can do it. So we're answering all your questions. Anything on YouTube? There's a lot on YouTube. My question is, how does each... Oh no, I say you're the best. Well, thank you. Thank you, Towner Bug. That's nice of you. Thank you. All right. Let's see. Is it common to combine fat grafting and implants? Not that common, but yes, it can be done. What is the recovery time before getting into a plane with a BBL or tummy tuck? I'd say 10 days. What else? Anything else? There's not a lot of activity. TikTok, we're not that big on TikTok. ¿Cuándo es el costo para una lipo y transferencia? No puedes mandar un DM y en el DM te vamos a contestar el costo. Can you put in the names of the weight loss? Can you guys do it? Put like Ozempic in there.
What do you mean?
Hold on, just type comment Ozempic, or do I have to do it?
I can do it.
You know how to do it? Or do I have to do it because I'm under Ozempic? Anyone can do it. There's Ozempic. How long is it recommended to wear a compression after 3 months? Lizzie Frisball, 3 months.
Oh, someone sent you some hearts.
Who is it?
Okay. ¿Dónde trabaja?
I
New
thought
Jersey.
something there.
No, we're in Anna Delirious. We're in Beverly Hills. Are you familiar with PCOS belly after tummy tuck lipo? Does that type of fat grow back? I think you're thinking of visceral fat. So there's 2 layers. There's internal fat and external fat. The internal fat I can't get rid of. The external fat with liposuction. So if you have a lot of internal fat, I'll point it out to you before surgery. I'll explain, this is your internal fat. I can't get rid of it. You have to understand, accept it, and move on. But we can get rid of the external fat. Hola, hey Fabi. What's going on YouTube? Will breast lift with no implants eventually get rounded or stay square boxy? Well, breast lift, it depends on how they do the lift. If you take too much skin from the lower part, it gives you a boxy shape in the lower pole. So some of it is the way the skin is removed from the lift. When can you return to work after having 360? 1 week, 2 weeks is better. I was told I have the fat is internal. Yeah, some of the fat is internal. I wouldn't say it's good fat or bad fat. It just is. And it's just, the only way to get rid of the internal fat is by losing weight on your own, or, it's diet and exercise, really. Bueller, what do we got? All right, is this helpful on Instagram? So 2 questions. Number 1, is it helpful? Number 2, how often should I do this? How many pounds of fat have you liposuctioned out? I've done up to 14 liters of fat. Transplanted fat goes away if you lose weight after. It can, you're going to lose some of it.
Someone said, how long have you been a surgeon on TikTok?
10 years. 10 years. Very helpful. Thanks, Elisa. Do it a lot. Petra, do it a lot. It's funny. Great information. Okay, good. So they like it. Yes, extremely helpful. At least once a week, Aisha. Okay, once a week. It's helpful. Okay, good. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed the video, drop us a comment, give us a like, subscribe. I'll see you in the next one.